How to display all label values in Matplotlib. I have two lists. When I plot with the following code, the x-axis only shows up to 12, max is 15. May I know how can I show all of the values in X list to the x-axis? Thanks in advance. If I set minor equals true in the set underscore stick labels function, it shows me all x equals 2, 4, 6, 8, ... 16. But I want all values. P.S. My x-axis is not sorted, should display as it shows.
The issue here is that the number of ticks set automatically isn't the same as the number of points in your plot. To resolve this, set the number of ticks. Before the x1.set underscore stick labels x call.
Or better. From other answers and so.
Field original